Alright guys, we are set up under the 04 C2. We're going to do these, do an oil change. We're going to take the filter over to my makeshift operating table and cut it open. I don't anticipate we're going to find anything in it, but we will find out together. So everything is clean. I don't see any shininess. Obviously nothing mixed. First impression is it was due, but not necessarily overdue. We also have a sticker on here that the water pump has been replaced. It has a Pierberg. Never actually pronounced that before. Pierberg. Yeah, the Pierberg sticker on the water pump. Always good to see. Alright, we're going to let that drain on out. Man, that's one of these I did. My socket fell in the head. Man, that was a freaking mess. I'm not going to do that again. Crush washer ready. Yeah, that was a mess. Put your whole hand in a jig of old oil. It was not fun by any means. But what I'm going to do if it happens. Then we'll do the cold start video when I'm done. Okay, so the oil filter was not over torqued. Which is always a good sign. Ay. Looks like we have a male filter, Hennig, made in Germany. That's good to see too. Alright, we're going to let that drain. Alright, come over here. Operating table. Cut open the filter. So I got some dirt because it rolled over here. I actually don't mind doing this for a few reasons. It's good peace of mind. While I'm over here doing this, we're getting all the old oil out, which is also a plus. Okay, the baffles look completely clean. We have no plastic or metal, anything that should not be there. All right, that should, nothing in there either. That should do it for this one. Cold start video coming up. Thanks.